Microsoft 365 is an absolute dream. With every update, Microsoft finds new and inventive ways to streamline your business and increase productivity. The tragedy is that not everyone takes advantage of these features. We're on a mission to show business owners everywhere that there's more to 365 than just Word and Excel. Today we're focusing on Microsoft Flow. This amazing productivity tool allows you to automate tasks across different apps, saving you and your staff hours of wasted time. With Flow taking care of menial tasks, you and your staff can focus on the parts of your job that really matter. Microsoft 365 is full of hidden treasures if you know where to look. For more help taking your business to the next level with software you already own, get in touch today.